Hello students, today we are starting our second chapter, water resources, chapter number 2, water resources of geography. But in this chapter only map work is coming in exam, and this chapter is meant only for map work and not for theoretical portion. So today I will explain you how to mark the locations of different dams which are to be asked in your exams. You have to mark the locations of these dams on the map. Okay, for example, if it is asked where is Hirakud Dam, the location of Hirakud Dam, so it is on the map Hirakud Dam, here it is located. Okay, then Bhakra Nangal, you mark on the states where these dams are located, only mark on the states. Put a circle and make a line and write the name of the dam. In this way you have to locate the position or location of the dams on our map. Okay. This map is given on the page number 28 of our NCERT book. So students, you can take help from this map also. Rivers and dams are marked on this map. Okay. Now you have to mark only states. Make a point somewhere in state where a dam is located and write the name of the dam here. Okay, just like Hirakud Dam is situated in Odisha, then Bhakra Nangal Dam is in Punjab, so mark a dot on Punjab and write Bhakra Nangal. Then Konya Dam is in Maharashtra. You don't have to write the exact location of the dam, but just mark on the state where these dams are located and write the name of the dam. And Tungabhadra Dam is located in Karnataka, okay, in Ballari district. But don't mark the Ballari district location. Just make a dot and write Tungabhadra. Just like in this map, here it is shown very clearly. You can take help from this video also, and I am posting this picture also.